Hello students, here is Ashu Gupta, Assistant Professor. Again welcomes you all on the behalf of Indraprasth Law College. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the specific provisions regarding the jurisdiction of UP Revenue Code 2006. And while before discussing it, we have to know the constitution of the Revenue Board, which is already discussed in the previous lecture. So let's open the books and start the slide. So let's firstly summarize and memorize the previous lecture wherein we have discussed the Constitution of Revenue Board. According to section 4 subclause 6 and section 7 of this code, which is also shown in that PPT and already discussed in the previous lecture. Hope you memorize it very well. Let's move on the next slide. Wherein we discuss that there is a revenue board consisting a chairman and some other board member appointed by a state government. Now the turn goes to the to understand the jurisdiction of that revenue board. So move on the next slide. The jurisdiction of revenue board is also contained in chapter 3rd and section 8 of this code. According to that section 8 of this code, the board shall be the chief controlling authority. That is basically revenue board is the chief controlling authority, which is already discussed in the previous lectures at the time of the constitution of the revenue board. That is the chief controlling authority, which is already discussed in section 8 also, in all matters relating to the disposal of cases, appeals or revisions, and subject to the superintendent's direction and control of the state government in all other matters provided in this code relating to the agricultural land basically. Let's move on the next slide. Now we may conclude it that basically the revenue board is the ultimate authority or the chief authority as per the provisions of the UP Revenue Code 2006. It consists of a chairman and the appropriate number of board members as the state government may think fit or may also appoint. And according to the section 8 of the UP Revenue Code, the board shall exercise, perform and discharge powers, functions and duties conferred upon it by or under this code or any other law for the time being in force. Means that रेवेन्यू बोर्ड में हम सभी जानते हैं कि एक बेसिकली चीफ अथॉरिटी से माना जाता है एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड के मामलों में यूपी रेवेन्यू कोड के अंतर्गत। और सेक्शन 7 में जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन उसका बतलाया गया था, वहाँ पर एक चेयरमैन और कुछ मेंबर्स जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट सही समझे, अप्रोप्रिएट समझे, उन्हें अपॉइंट करती है। और यहाँ पर जुरिस्डिक्शन ऑफ रिवेन्यू बोर्ड में यही चीज़ बतलाई भी गई है कि वो जो अथॉरिटी है, रिवेन्यू बोर्ड की जो अथॉरिटी है, बेसिकली पावर्स, फंक्शंस एंड ड्यूटीज़ इसके जितने भी होते हैं वो कन्फर्ड होते हैं बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, बिकॉज दैट इज अपॉइंटेड बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. And in this slide you may see that the section 8 of the UP Revenue Code also says that the state government may authorize any member of the board to exercise, perform and discharge either generally or in respect of any particular locality or matter all or any of the powers, functions and duties conferred or imposed on the board. So hope you will enjoyed the whole session and successfully enumerated it into your study and be benefited from this presentation. Thank you. We will meet soon with a new topic. Thank you very much. Be safe and stay at home during this pandemic era.